Alright, so today we're going to look at correlation and how one thing affects another in some cases. So my first row here has all of our positive correlations. Okay, so furthest to the left, this would be a weak positive, where they're kind of going up, but there's no real line that we may have. The second example is a strong positive. If you notice, the points are getting closer together, resembling a line. And all the way to the right, this would be a perfect positive. So some examples of a positive correlation would be the more it rains, the more sales for umbrellas would go up. Okay, the more time on a treadmill you be running, the more calories you burn. The more time spent studying, the higher your grades. So as one goes up, the other goes up. The most ridiculous example that I've seen of this is the more ice cream sales there are, the more drowning that occurs. Now this doesn't mean if I go out and eat Ben & Jerry's ice cream, somebody's going to drown, but both of those things typically happen when it's warmer weather. So as it gets warmer, ice cream sales go up. As it gets warmer, more people are swimming, which means more people are drowning. So they have an effect on each other. More ice cream sales is correlated with more drowning. Okay, so there are the positive correlations. Now if we scroll down here to negative correlations, if you look all the way to the left, if you notice they're going down, all the way to the left is a weak negative. We'll talk about examples momentarily. Again, it's still going down, but it's not really resembling a line. Then we get strong negative. Okay, where they start to come together or bunch together. And then we have a perfect negative, which in those cases, those are in a line. If I were to draw a line, I can draw a straight line. Some examples of negative correlations, and this is as one goes up, the other goes down. So the more time spent playing video games usually correlates with the lower somebody's grades are. Or the more somebody eats, the less hunger they have. And the more absences a student is from school also correlates with the lower grades that you may have. Okay, so again, those are examples of negative correlations. As one goes up, the other goes down. And then the final one we have, if you notice, these are all spread out. This is no correlation. In which case, it doesn't resemble a line at all. It's not, more going up, more going down. Some examples of this would be shoe size and IQ. Okay, there's no correlation as one goes up, the other goes up or down. Time spent watching TV and TV size. Okay, I could watch TV on a big TV or a small TV. And another one is the month you were born, okay, January to December, and your height. Those have no correlation. So just 3 examples of each. I did give you 4 for positive. Hopefully this helps you guys out with just understanding as one goes up, the other goes up for positive. As one goes up, the other goes down for negative. And then if they have no effect on each other, it's no correlation. All right, and hopefully this helped, and thanks a lot, guys.